Today I'll be teaching you how to make a ping pong game in Scratch. First, you need a paddle. I've already made mine, but you can customize and make your own. And that means I don't need the Scratch kit. Scratch kit can leave. And so the paddle needs to be on the bottom, like this. And we're not going to be controlling using the arrow keys, we're going to be using the mouse. So first we need a when flag clicked block. And then we need a forever, because we want it to follow the mouse forever. And then we will go to here, go, and we only want it to travel across the x-axis, which is this way. We don't want to travel all over the place, so we go set x to, and then go to sensing, and then go down here to mouse x, like that. So now if I press go, it moves along, following the mouse. And now if you're wanting to make a game where it follows the mouse everywhere, you just go in here and you get to set Y to mouse Y. So now it'll follow you everywhere. But we don't want that, we only want it to follow the x-axis of the mouse, like this. So now we have the paddle, now we need the ball. So we need a new sprite, go choose sprite, ball, hit OK. And now, what we want the ball to do, we go events, when flag clicked, and now we want it to start in the middle, so we go to X, and the middle is X0, Y0, so just type that in. And now we want it to move, so we just go move. We want it to forever move, so we go forever, move 10 steps. And we also want it to bounce off the edge, so we go F on edge, bounce. So now, when we hit go, it'll just bounce off the edge. Except, it's only travelling in one direction. So what we need to do is we need to go to, we're already in motion, point in direction. And if we put it to 0, now it still bounces, but only like this. So we need to change this 0 degrees to 45, which is halfway between 0 and 90. So now it travels like that, which will work better. So now, how we get it to bounce is we go to here, get an if block, and then go to sync thing and go touching, and then change from mouse pointer to sprite 1, which is the paddle. So now when it's touching sprite 1, we want it to just turn 180 degrees and then keep moving. So now when it hits the pedal, it just bounces off. But it's traveling a bit slowly for me, so I'm going to speed it up. You don't have to, you might want to make it faster. But it's always bouncing off in the same direction. So to change that, we can go here and go pick random 150 to 200 degrees. So now when it bounces off, it goes in a random direction like this. Now we want to be able to lose our game, hopefully. So we'll go to stage, backdrops, and we'll make the bottom red. So we'll go get a rectangle, make it completely full, and go red, and then you just make a little piece along the bottom, like so. And now we go to ball, and here, control F, touching color. Then we go over here, and click on the red. Now, you can make anything, but I'll just make it so that it just stops when it hits the red. So now, if it hits the red, it stops, and you know when you've lost. And you can customize it to make it whatever you want, but that's the basic thing. So yeah, that's how to make a ping pong game in Scratch. Thanks for watching.